is a leap year. A leap year comes after every 4 years. Divide the year by 4. Okay, you can divide the last 2 digit also by 4, or that is the rules of the 4. No, division by it is divisible by 4 or not. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So you can do like that also. Just now I shown you the last 2 digit is divisible by 4 or not. You check it, and if it is divisible, then that year is leap year. So you go through it. This knuckle also I shown you. Now this is your homework. Okay, so exercise 10.5. Exercise 10.5. This one, write down the days of a week in order. Order means you start from Sunday, right? So Sunday, week starts from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this you write. Okay, then write down the months in an year in order. So they have already, first one they wrote already, but be careful with your spelling. This is January. Very, very interesting. All should do. January, February, March, April, like this you write up to December. Okay. Now I will teach you conversion of time. In conversion of time, already I told you. I taught you also that 1 month is, generally we are considering 1 month is 30 days. Do not confuse with 31. Okay. 31 is exceptional, but in general we are considering month is 30 days only. 1 month 30 days. 1 year 365 days. But if it is leap year, then 366 days. If the question is in a question it is mentioned leap year, then you have to multiply, or you have to work with the 366 only. Okay. And particularly if the month name of the month is also mentioned, then you have to do accordingly that month. If it is January, then 31 days, like that. Okay. So now I will show you the conversion of time, that is days only. Conversion of time, we have to convert into days. Okay. So exercise 10.6, convert into days. So this one just now I told, and I have shown you also. 1 month equal to, yes, 30 days. Do slowly, nicely. 1 month 30 days. So 4 months. So 4 months, if you convert into days, it will be more than 4 or less than 4. Yes. So 4 months, if we convert into days, it will be more, because 1 month 30 days. 30 is more, greater, right? So if it is more, means what we have to do? We have to multiply, right? We have to multiply. Actually 4 means you can add 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is repeated addition, but easiest way is multiplication, right? So your answer is 4 into 30. 4 into 30 is equal to 3 4s are, like this you multiply, it will be easy for you. 12 and 0 you put it here. 120 days. 120 days. 4 months. Okay, in same manner, just I am showing you 8 months. Answer is 8 into 30. 8 3s are 24 and 0. 240 days. 12 months you can write directly also. So you know very well, 12 months means 1 year, and 1 year is how many days? 365. Okay, 365, 12 months, days. Okay, 12 months. So 365 days. 7 months. So 7 months you take 7 into 30. 7 3s are 21 and 0. Okay. Here just 12 months, whenever it is 12 months, then you don't multiply with 30, then you will get 360 days, right? 12 3s are 36. So better you write directly 365 days. Okay, actually January, just now I shown you, January, March, July, August, like this, they are 31 days. So that's why it is 365 days. So better directly you write 365 days. Okay. So 7 months, 7 into 30 is 210 days, and 10 months, these are all correct only. 10 into how much? 30. So 300 days. Okay. So 20 months is 20 into 30 is equal to 2 3s are 6 and 2 more 0, 600 days. Okay, like this is the conversion.